What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you my dad's 2012 Dodge Challenger. He has a 5.7 liter Hemi V8 engine, and right now we're actually out in the Black Hills of South Dakota. Last night we did one of a few projects, so we switched out the brakes. So we went from the standard brakes that come on the Challenger and put on a high performance race full on brakes, pads, and rotor kit, which turned out super awesome. And we also put on new wheels and tires. So for tires, we went with the Continental Extreme Contact Sport tires. And for wheels, these are the Vision Legend Series wheels. So stock, it came with 18s, and then we upgraded it to 20s, and I think it looks so cool. He was really wanting to go for that like old school American muscle look, and it looks so perfect. I'm obsessed. Might steal it. These are massive. Oh my god, I don't know if I'll be able to pick these ones up.
Bigger than your Subarus, huh?
Yes. We need to jack the rear up more.
What?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Shouldn't have to.
Definitely. Yeah.
Interesting. Well, no shit. Well, huh?
Okay.
I wish Dad had still had his Corvette.
Yeah, that would be really cool. Oh.
You should have seen all eyes at that gas station were on us.
Oh, I bet.
You know, because I had this and then Dad had the vet and everything. Pulls out of the gas station, heading towards Custer there, and he gets on it. And it's like, oh no, you ain't.
Oh, really?
So and I come up on, he's still going at it. I came up on him, you know. Watch out when if you spin it really fast and it comes off the damn nut, this thing will hit you right on the inside of the goddamn knee. And you're
So
going,
you speak from experience.
oh! Yeah, because it hits right on that bone right there.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Tears.
Tears.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was standing in front of the...
Jeez. You want to make sure that they're tight enough?
Well, yeah, we'll let it down a little bit.
Okay.
Once we get it off the jack stands. You know, back in my day,
Back in my day.
you always jack it back into...
Oh yeah, I like the way this looks right now.
Yeah, I can see another set of air shocks on the horizon.
You could see a what on the horizon?
Set of air shocks on the back of the horizon.
Oh gosh. We can do that after we Hellcat motor swap it. And wide body kit. Just kidding. I actually really like the chrome.
Yeah.
That looks pretty sweet.
I'm happy.
Oh good. The brake calipers pop too.
Yeah. Yep.
That's so cool.
Okay, I'm happy. Very happy.
So I traveled 466 miles to put new wheels and tires on my dad's Dodge Challenger. Well, I did more than that, but for this video, I pretty much did. So this video kind of took a completely different turn, just got busy and caught up spending time and having fun with family, but that is what is most important. So just real quick here, I just wanted to show you the old wheel and tire. Okay. So this is the old wheel and tire setup that my dad used to have on his Challenger. These are just the stock wheels, and then these are, it says that they're Kelly Edge tires, which I have never heard of before, honestly, but he was complaining a lot about like the road noise because he does go on cruises in the Black Hills very often, so it just had a lot of road noise that he was pretty unhappy with. And he asked me for recommendations on tires, and I'm a huge fan of the Continental Extreme Contact sport tires, so I recommended those to him since they're a really good all-season tire, and luckily for me, he loves it, so I'm relieved. It's a little stressful there, but he likes them a lot. We took him out and we did go on a few cruises, and it sounds really good in there. I don't really remember what it sounded like before with the old wheel and tire setup, but now it's a very nice ride. He is also really happy with the Vision Legend Series wheels that he picked out. I was honestly really going for like a sleek gloss black 5-spoke look. I was even pushing for him to put on our other Hellcat wheels, but I'm so glad he didn't. And I'm so glad that he ordered these wheels because they look so good. He's a big fan of that old school like muscle car look, and yeah, it did the car wonders. I think it looks perfect. But unfortunately, it is the end of my trip here. It is 5 in the morning. So it's time for us to head to the airport and I can make my way back to Colorado. So let's go. Made it back home from Denver finally, and about to see Odin. He's gonna be so excited. Here we go. Hello. Come here, boys. Hi. Hi. Did you miss me? Oh. Oh. Hi. Hello. Hello. I knows it. Hi, Hercules. So after another 466 miles of travel, I am home now. The plane ride wasn't too bad. I feel like I got pretty lucky with holiday travel going from DIA and then flying into Rapid City. I mean, DIA was a disaster. Oh, Odin. So I'm really lucky that I didn't have any like baggage problems. I mean, I don't normally check in my luggage. I'm just a backpack run and go girl. Like as soon as I'm off the plane, I want to get out of the airport. But luckily I had really good luck with my flights. On the way back, there was some issues like bagging the plane, so it was about an hour behind, but really it wasn't too bad. So I feel like I was really lucky and not having like a bad time traveling through the holidays. I know that there are a ton of people across the country having issues affected by like baggage and then Southwest and things like that. So hopefully you guys had a nice, holiday season, not affected by any of those travel issues, but it feels good to be home. This video, obviously I didn't travel the full 466 miles only to do wheels and tires on my dad's car. We also did the brakes, but a lot of it we just kind of spent time hanging out. We ate some amazing food. We drove through the Black Hills, which is one of my favorite things, and spent time with my grandparents. So it was so nice to see them. I really want to head back up there this summer because, excuse you, that's my hair tie. I would really like to head up there this summer for the Sturgis Mustang rally. So if any of you guys have experience or have been before, I'd love to hear about it to know a little bit more about like what to expect. But let me know what you guys think of the wheel choices that my dad made, because I think he made the right ones as usual. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas and you have a happy New Year's, and I will see you guys again next time. I thought it was like a bug.